And this is also amazing and beautiful. Today, on the 16th of March 2023, we have Temppelikatu. Was it building 11 or?
Yes.
Yes. 11 staircase A, and maybe there's also staircase B or something. We'll see it later. We'll get to them. Look at this. Yeah, it is really beautiful. It was built by Otis originally in 1935. December is K12505. And it was modernized in 1993 by Kone with Korean fixtures. And it turned 85 years old in 2020. The demonstration is turning 30 years old this year in 2023 when it will be inspected again. And that's the Otis logo there.
Yeah.
It is really beautiful. There's two lights.
Tittaakin väistytään, että me eteenpäin Espoon hissi.
Siirryn töille Helsinki, Helsingfors, uusimman ja Finland. I believe the call button is also coming on, right?
Yeah, with green light.
Yeah, that's really great. It's better than the, especially here when it's not a tree.
Yeah.
But it's great that they still have the original sign here.
Yeah.
And also these cabs are quite rare.
Yeah.
But here in Tele we have filmed the two original from 1935 by Otis with the same. That they have the same kind of cab.
Yeah.
It was not in the 30s that they first. Okay, but in the 20s I've seen Stigler with the same type of cab.
Yeah.
Maybe even earlier, but I'm not sure. That was 1928.
Yeah.
One more look at this beautiful logo here. It's really lovely. Thank you very much for watching, and that's it. And we will see if there's more than this one.
That's